5 tips for taking care of your Mercedes during lockdown. If you haven't taken your car out for a drive in a while, I recommend checking the tyre pressures, especially if you're going on a long journey on a motorway at high speeds. Now, if you're not sure what pressure your tyres should be at, you can find it on the inside of the fuel cap right here. If you start to hear a little bit of a noise down here by the braking system, don't worry. If you haven't driven your car for a while, a thin layer of oxidization is going to build up on the brake disc, which is going to start to make a little bit of noise, but after a bit of driving, it will soon go away. My next tip is to keep your fuel tank at 100% or near 100% while you're not driving your car, and that is to prevent condensation building up in the tank, which is something we don't want. Now, if you own a modern Mercedes, it's coated with a nanoparticle paint which protects it against grime and corrosion. However, if your car is going to be left sitting for a while, particularly if left under a tree, it's always recommended that you give it a clean so that it doesn't build up too much and damage the paint. Now, in times like these, it's extra important to make sure you feel protected when you're driving your car, and Mercedes have got you covered with free roadside assistance. So let's jump in the car and I'll show you how it works. Now, inside the dash, you've got this Mercedes Me button right here. So if we press it, it lights up, and if we go now to our screen, it starts to make a call to Mercedes Me Connect.
Good morning, Mercedes Benz speaking. How can I help you?
Once you're on the phone, you can ask them any questions you want about the car and they'll be there to help. And if you're in a bit of trouble, they'll even be able to dispatch roadside assistance to come and help you out. How great is that? Now, if you're not running your car for a while, it's very important to make sure that your battery is still charged so that you don't have any problems starting up in the morning. My Mercedes, the battery ran down all the way to critical and I got a notification from the app. You can see in another video that I posted that we actually managed to charge the car fully, just leaving it running on my driveway. So Mercedes recommends that battery levels should not drop below 50%. So it's a good idea to keep an eye on the battery levels if you have the Mercedes Me app. So there we have it, guys. That's my 5 tips to take care of your car during lockdown. As always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This really helps me and the channel out. And for more great content on this car and tips and tricks with Mercedes, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.